welcome to my channel. It's kind of a gloomy day, but I just got KK Slider in the mail. It only took like 3 days to get here, so I want to do an unboxing / review. Let's talk about KK Slider and Animal Crossing New Horizons. Before I do that, special thanks to my channel members for helping support this channel through difficult times. It really means a lot to me. So KK Slider arrived. Here's what he looked like in the box. It did come with a blank birth certificate, but I didn't end up filling it out online. But it's cool that they include it. And then it came with a note from Build-A-Bear. So here he is, looking really cute. He's actually a lot cuter in person than I thought he was going to be. I vlogged the initial reaction that I had when they announced KK Slider because I was disappointed. I wanted to see some villagers or other characters from Animal Crossing because I feel like they all deserve more representation than what they're currently getting. Hopefully Build-A-Bear will continue to expand on the line, but this is KK Slider. I removed his guitar then placed it back, but I didn't do it properly. I think he's cuter in person. He's very soft. The guitar is removable. It's just a strap with a little bit of Velcro and then it comes right off. I like him with and without the guitar. I think adding the guitar made sense because otherwise he would be very plain unless you put an outfit on him. So he is soft. So I did choose the disco song, so we're gonna play it. Last time there was a mistake on my order and I got the wrong sound, so both my Isabel and Nook had Nook's voice and I didn't even catch that until someone left a comment in that video, so thank you for that. So we're just gonna play this, hear it, let's hope that it's the right one. Okay, so it kind of fades away at the end. I do like it. It's a couple of seconds long. Not bad. I'm glad they got the right one. I think next time I'll choose the New Horizons theme song just because it's so cheerful and nice and I haven't selected that option for any of the others. But it does say Animal Crossing New Horizons, and then in the tag it's the same one as last time. You can put who you're giving it to. And there's also a note of caution. I'm not sure if the other ones had this, but this one basically just says do not immerse in water. The item contains batteries that are non-replaceable, and it says that in a couple of different languages, which is interesting. I mean, I never submerge mine in water anyway. I guess because people would probably throw this in the wash if they're not thinking about the voice box. But yes, he looks good. The seam in the back is fine. I remember when I used to work at Build-A-Bear, sometimes I would have to redo this part because I was so bad at it, like pulling the strings properly so it's like seamless, or the ones that you actually have to sew. I could never do that, so I'd always choose the ones with the strings. But yes, it's seamless, it's nice, he's cute, he's soft. Again, I didn't like him at first when I saw the email, and I think it had to do with the pose that they had him in, but now that I have him in person, he's great. I do still have to do the comparison video with the Nintendo store ones that I've talked about. I did post a little clip showing the size difference. Those are a lot bigger, but they're not customizable like this is. So that's just something to keep in mind. It's kind of a trade-off, so I will be working on that soon. It's just that I have the KK Slider in my fiance's house and I need to bring it over here, and it's such a large stuffed animal to travel with. But those are fun, and I wonder if they're gonna expand on that line. I would love to see either line expand because I want Celeste, I want Fauna, I want Stitches. I want pretty much any character from Animal Crossing New Horizons other than the original 3 that we always see in merchandise. Like, I'm currently looking at my Animal Crossing Switch case, and yeah, I would like to see any. Even Tommy and Timmy would be cute in my opinion. Of course, Blathers would be nice. Let me know down below which characters you would like to see turned into stuffed animals. How do you feel about KK Slider? Let it all out. Let me know how you feel. Are you going to be picking him up, or will you be skipping this release? Let me know down below. I know this wasn't released yet in the UK. Hopefully soon. I'm going to try to find a release date for that because I know I got some comments in the previous video about it. And if I do find something, I will put it in the description box. But if you hear of anything, let us know down below as well. Thank you so much if you made it to the end of this video. I really appreciate it. I love doing these Build-A-Bear videos. They're so much fun. I think at this point I have to just do a playlist because I have so many videos from like Baby Yoda to these. I should have started doing them long ago because I have gone to Build-A-Bear so many times. I think my first visit was when I was 16 because I never went as a child. I didn't even know this existed until I was like 16, and I bought a My Little Pony. I think I bought Rainbow Dash, and I don't think I even have her anymore, but I should have been doing these videos from the beginning because clearly people enjoy them. But anyway, if you have any video requests, let me know down below. I would love to hear it. I've been struggling lately trying to find some content. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and stay safe out there. Until next time, bye.